We have been cleaning all day, so no more cement pond. So I went ahead and filled up my water can. Since we're filling up the pool, I cannot use the water hose right now in the garden, and I'm gonna go ahead and water the garden. Hi everyone, welcome back. It has been a busy day today. We have been cleaning the pool all day. Well, most of my eyes started to get all the leaves and everything out, and the sticks, and all those frogs and tadpoles. I kind of feel bad for those babies though, but they had to get out of there. So we have been cleaning the pool all day long, and it's been hot and sweaty, and I am just a hot mess right now. So it is the real thing. This is the real me. What's happening right now. So I'm a hot mess. But since I cannot use the water hose right now, I went ahead and use my water can and go ahead and water some of the things. It's supposed to rain some more. Maybe not. I'm not sure, but it's supposed to. And I'm going to go ahead and water it a little bit, and I'll show you what's going on here in the garden. Hi, babies. You getting ready to go to bed? Yeah, it's getting time for bedtime here almost, isn't it? What's you doing, girl? You can come visit with Mama? You want to help me water the garden? You are? Okay. So here are my cucumbers, and they're doing pretty good, and the new ones are still kind of trying to, catch up, but I only seems like on that one right there, it's not looking too good, but hopefully it still will make. Here's my squash. It's doing pretty good. It has grown a lot, so I'm really happy about that, and check it out right here. Check it out, my first big squash. There you go. This is so exciting. I know this is crazy, but I'm totally excited. And my beans are coming up. Let me show you all the beans. Check out the beans. Well, this side is not looking too good, but this one really does. Look at the beans are growing up my vine. What are you doing, you stinker? Hi. Psst. 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 Are you hunting? Are you hunting? And it's starting, looks like they're going to start making beans here soon. And this one is doing real good. I think that's a potato where that planted right there. My sunflowers, my cosmos, my beans, my sweet peas are doing real good too. And they're growing, looking good. Little blooms. And I'll be having sweet peas here soon too. What are you doing, girl? What are you doing? Yeah. And these are making too. So I'm really excited. And let me go ahead and keep watering. It's getting dark. It's about 8 o'clock right now, and it's getting late, and I'm gonna try to get water a little bit more down and get some more stuff done. But it's just they go by so fast. So did y'all know that when you water the tomato plants, it's really not good for the plant if you water them from the top? You're supposed to actually water them from the bottom up, because water splashes and stuff like that, and can get your tomato plant sick. I did not know that. And I got quite a few couple tomatoes already off the Cherokee, purple Cherokee tomato. And look at here, green tomato. Yay! I'm having tomatoes soon. My herb garden is not looking too good. Had a rough start though. Hopefully we'll pick up. And check it out. Got more peppers. And I'm getting more bushel beans right here too. Yay! What are you doing up there? What are you doing, Noonie? Who's Chansey picking on you? Who's Chansey picking on you? So this is a little update on my garden, and I'll keep you updated what's going on here in my garden. And it's time to weed eat again, so I'm gonna have to get the weed eater out again, and you know, take care of some high grass, and hopefully I can keep it down so I don't have a jungle. And I need to go inside because my girls are not going to go inside their coop unless I'm inside. So, and it's getting ready for the bedtime before the chicken door is going to go close. So I better go inside, so let them do their thing. So we are trying to get the house ready to put on the market. So, but we have to do a few things before we can do that. So hopefully with managing our time and getting everything cleaned up, it feels so good looking at that clean water. But it will get done. But we have to find a time to do this. If we don't, we're not going to get it done, and we're going to be running. It's going to take the process longer for us to move over to the farm. So hopefully we'll get it all together. And so let me show you a few things that I've done around the house already that I've been working on that I have not not filmed because I don't have time for it. And plus, you don't want to see me weed eating everywhere. So, and I've done a lot of weed eating the last few days, so my hands are sore. And today I was cleaning and scooping all that stuff out with the netting out the pool, and I'm probably gonna have blisters tomorrow, and I'm probably gonna be sunburned too. Hopefully it won't be too bad, but let me show y'all what I got up front and what I've done there, and to give you a little update what's happening here at the house. So why don't you come with me and I'll show you. That looks so much better. So I have not cleaned this area up yet. That's where I had all my irises, so I'm going to still have to do this. But the next list to do. And here are my dahlias that I've planted, and look at those. I'm so excited. Some of these hadn't come up yet right here, so I'm hoping they still come up. Here's some more. And check it out. I have weed eated my flower bed. Oh my Lord, that was a job again right there, but I got a big pile right there I still need to remove. But yes, I got all that cleaned up, and these iris is right there. And the ones behind there I still got dig up. But I'm also planning by taking some of my hostas with me because I'm going to replant those. And the bleeding heart I'm taking with me, and probably my rose bush too. And let me show you the front. There you go. I love those big hostas. I think they're so pretty. And here's the front porch. I got some annuals I'm going to put in my containers. And right here, there's a grape and there's some kind of berry that kind of thorny, but I can't think of the name of it right now, but I grew up with those, so I really like those. And I got an orange tangerine little plant right there, and got some more containers with flowers in. And that one right there, that's an olive bush. So hopefully, so I'll keep watering them, and I won't die with this, not forget about watering, because with we're coming home late at night here, I sometimes forget to water my plants. So hopefully I won't forget to water them, so they keep looking good. And right that basket right there, I'm going to go to the farm and dig up a wild fern, and I'll be putting that one in there. So, but yeah, this is what I've done so far here at the house. And I still got to clean my water fountain out back there. So, but this is what I've done here at the house so far, and I'm going to keep going, and there's still plenty to do. There's still so much to do around here, but all we can do is take one project at a time and then go from there. You know, we're stay pretty busy at the farm, but you know, it's our new future home, our new homestead, and we're trying really hard to get that done. So hopefully in the near future, we're going to get that done. And I'm sorry for a hot mess. Like, seriously, I got hair everywhere. This is some crazy hairdo. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this short update video, and I will see you with the next video. See y'all later. God bless y'all. Good night. Bye.